Hello friends, I am Niti Kalo from WebSparrow Solutions. I am back with part 2 of e-commerce SEO checklist. In the part 1, we have discussed some basic factors yet helpful in rising the sales. Now those who didn't watch the part 1, go and check our video. As promised, I will discuss some major factors in part 2. So, moving further from part 1, pagination. In an e-commerce store, it is very important to handle pagination when dealing in a number of products under one collection or category page. And it is a very tricky SEO concern that should never be neglected. If not implemented properly, it can be a silent SEO killer for an e-commerce website. In simpler words, pagination exists when a website has to show up content across multiple pages. For an example, if a store site has 100 of products within a category, then span across more than one page. It helps in ease of navigation and provides better user experience. But there are some SEO concepts that you must think while doing the pagination on your website, and that is canonicalization and indexing. Solution to deal with pagination can be add canonical tag or no index paginated pages. Means to deal with paginated pages, the simplest way is to add canonical tag or no index paginated pages. It is basically used to decrease the index plot. That helps in improving the ranking of pages having quality content. Our main goal is to help search engine crawl and understand this relationship between these URLs so they index the most relevant page. However, it may impact negative effects on ranking of deeper level pages. So, any important paginated pages which helps user or bots discover unique content should be indexed. A little tips to follow here. Make sure your important paginated pages are indexed in Google. Use the URL inspection tool to understand if Google has selected a page as the canonical version. Use the index coverage status report to understand which paginated pages have been excluded from the Google index. Use third-party crawler to understand how important pagination is within the link architecture of your website. For example, run a full crawl and then another one excluding paginated pages and see which important pages are excluded from the crawl data. Use third party crawlers to identify non indexable paginated pages which have a no index directive or are canonicalized by using rel is equals to canonical tag. Now, next important factor is EAT. To get an edge over your competitors, always follow Google's favorite guidelines, that is EAT. So, what exactly does the EAT quality transpire for e-commerce site? EAT is a acronym for expertise, authority, and trustworthiness. It is an important for the e-commerce industry because shopping pages are considered by rater guidelines to be your money or your life pages. And these type of pages possess the highest quality standards. It is evaluated by looking at the main content on the page. And the first important thing to recognize is that content is not limited to text. The rater guidelines state the web page content must include functionality such as online shopping features, add to wish list, related products, or more. Expertise. In this website, it is known for diamonds only. So, for an e-commerce store to get an high quality score should be expertise in specific types of goods only. And you only work with manufacturers that have recognized expertise in the industry. Moving on to e-commerce brand authoritative. An industry expert or manufacturer of the products need to be providing the complete information regarding his products. So, you can see how well this website has described about the product. See. Now, moving on to trustworthiness for e-commerce websites. To be considered high quality, there should be a satisfying customer service on shopping pages. This means that any related questions that shoppers might have about the product and buying process should be addressed. Information about the shipping charges or should be everything should be transparent and revealed upfront. Return policies, guarantees, and similar information should be easily accessible. In this website, you can see that to build the trust, this website has given all the details to secure their customers' trust. The importance of each score has grown insignificantly, especially for e-commerce sites. So, your products, your site functionality, or your brand's integrity must be inherently high in order to earn positive recommendations and Google High It score. Now, moving on to internal linking. Internal linking is actually a great deal to improve your site's performance. The best part about smart internal linking is to enhance the user experience. Now, why internal linking? Easy navigation, better crawling, and indexing of web pages, distributes authority and ranking power from high authority to low authority pages. Now, what is the strategy of doing internal linking? Firstly, locate the powerhouse pages for your website. Your power pages are those with the most backlinks and authority. You can find these using the Best Buy Links report in Ahref Sites Explorer or from the link section of the Search Console. Now, you can strategically link from your power pages to those that need a little SEO help to get a boost. Now, there are some ways to do internal linking on e-commerce website. First one is link product pages together. Your product pages is the best opportunity to link the other product pages. Many e-commerce platforms have related products that are dynamically inserted with a plugin. This is a great tool and you should definitely use it. Link from blog posts to products or category pages. You can get some sweet contextual internal links with popular blog posts in this way. Third is add content to category pages and link horizontally. You can include some great internal link to top products, other categories, product comparison pages, and the best buy products. Now, fourth is link your product pages to the relevant category pages and vice versa. Breadcrumbs are most common method of linking product pages back to the relevant category pages. Website also have sidebar menus to get the customer back to the relevant category. But you find every possible way to link your product pages back to your category pages so that visitors can stay close to your product library. Use internal linking to keep an audience in mind. Don't do it for Google, do it for your customers. Always remember customers first, search engine second. Now, next is sitemaps. Sitemap is one of the great and important thing that you all need to implement on your websites. Those who do not know what sitemap is, these are pages or files that contain a list of all the URLs you want search engine to index. However, crawlers can crawl your website page by page, but adding a sitemap makes it easier for search engines to crawl all the important pages in a minimal time and help the website to get indexed more frequently. Although in a Shopify store, sitemap runs automatically for all the pages and adds or deletes pages itself. But still, it is recommended that you should submit sitemap to Google to encourage frequent crawling and indexing. For an e-commerce store, sitemap should be clean and organized by different and divided into various segments, which are category pages, product pages, key landing pages, your blog or content pages, your location pages, or customer support pages. By creating a sitemap in such a way, you can then easily realize in which segment indexation issue is lying, and you can fix the issue later. Now, next is voice search. One more priceless feature that will surely place your brand ahead of the curve is voice search optimization. Don't forget to get the leverage of voice search. By the year 2020, 50% of all the internet searches will be done using the voice search. Research shows that voice shopping is predicted to grow $40 billion to 2022. So, it becomes mandatory to get your site optimized for voice search as it can become make your website or business from zero to hero. For this, you have to understand the pain points of your customer and you have to focus on cementing strategy over a keyword based strategy with the context of a searcher's query or try to make your content more conversational as Google love valuable and user friendly content. Now next is featured snippets. You want to get ahead of your competitors and more exposure in growing in organic search results. This is your this can be your ideal way of doing that. Featured snippets are an easy and fruitful way to do so. But what exactly are featured snippets and its benefits are? It is a special block above the organic search results showing the summary of an answer to an user search query, which is displayed at the top of the search results page and referred to as position 0. Now, what are the benefits? It enhances a brand search visibility, better click through rates. Isn't it seem magic for you guys that getting more clicks from organic results even without having the higher rankings? More traffic and better conversion rates. Don't worry, implementing a featured snippet is not a rocket science. You just have to do little changes to your content. Make it more conversational, adding bullets or numbered lists and small informative paragraphs, tabular data, adding FAQ schema, or more like that. Hence, featured snippets is undoubtedly a smarter tactic you must implement. Now, one more add on for making your search results look outstanding will be schemas. We will talk about breadcrumb schema and product schema, most important tools for e commerce stores. For breadcrumb schema, you need to know what is breadcrumb. It is a form of site navigation that shows visitors on which page they are present and shows the hierarchy of pages without having to examine a URL structure. For an e-commerce stores with a large number of subcategories and categories must use the breadcrumb schemas to simplify the user's experience by displaying breadcrumbs. Before implementing it, make sure you added the breadcrumbs in a right way on your website. Now, you may be curious to know what is breadcrumb schema and how they help in SEO. Breadcrumb list schema allows you to mark up the breadcrumbs on your site to generate breadcrumb rich snippets for your pages in the SERPs. You can check the difference with breadcrumb schema and without breadcrumb schema SERP look like. Benefits. Now, what are the benefits of it? Google loves them. With breadcrumb schema, it is another way of analyzing the website structure. And Google may also use your breadcrumb in the actual SERPs. This makes your search results more alluring to the user. So, to show them on Google, you must add breadcrumb schema in your website. They also help in lowering the bounce rates. Surprised, you know why? Because you're offering an alternative way to your users to browse the website, and if the specific page does not meet their requirements, they might go to homepage using the breadcrumbs despite going back to Google. Third is improves click-through rates. Google adds a breadcrumb navigation to the mobile SERPs instead of showing full URLs for only those websites who added the schema in a correct way. Breadcrumbs are easy to explain and understand for the users. Fourth is site mapping. Breadcrumbs ensure that search engines understand the website structure and look for all the pages that should be crawled. Now, second most important schema for e-commerce stores is product schema. With the use of code, you can display the important information of your products in the search results. You can show the product price, whether the product is in stock or not, or we can also list ratings on the particular product. There are many other features you can add in your snippets. Also, if your competitors have not added the schema markup yet, then it is the right time to add these markups and stand out from the crowd of competitors. It also helps the user by quickly comparing the pricing and offers between two competitors if you and your competitor are selling the same product. This also helps in increasing click through rate and is preferred by the Google. Now, next is keyword research. Keyword research is a pillar for successful e-commerce business strategy. Keyword selection can make or break our SEO efforts. The ultimately goal is to create a list of keywords that you can use to optimize your site, write your product description, and craft your blog post. Now, how to find keywords for your product and category pages. Always keep in mind that your keywords will be tailored around product and category searches. Now, first is brainstorming. Firstly, you have to do brainstorming regarding your products with the initial search terms that you think your customers can use to find your products. Now, you have to think outside the box here. Next is Google suggestion feature. Do a Google search related to your product and see at the bottom of page to find the related suggestion. I assure you will find untapped terms that your customers search for. Also, you can dig deeper into Wikipedia to find related keywords for your product and category pages. Amazon search term can prove goldmine for you. Studies shows that people looking to buy something start their search with Amazon rather than Google. Amazon auto suggest will instantly give you an outline of what people are searching related to your keyword. These keywords are a good fit for targeting. Hope you will find a handful of keywords with above said methods. Now, it is the time to use the power of keyword research tools. You can SEMrush keyword, you can use SEMrush keyword magic tool to find a search volume as well as competition for each keyword or other related keywords. Also, you can use Google keyword tool for the same. If you don't have a subscription for paid tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs, you can spy your competitor keywords also. It is the easiest way to find the keywords that works great in your niche to is to spy your competitor's keyword. You can use the SEMrush keyword gap analysis feature to find the keywords that your competitors are targeting. Always remember, broad keyword is not a good SEO strategy in modern times because too much competition uh, and because of relevance issues. Be careful to not to choose keywords that are too broad or too competitive. Select keywords having high search volume and moderate competition. Once you have finalized the keyword, start optimizing your site around those keywords. Now, how we can forget talking about SEO checklist and not talking about backlinks. We all know the importance of building backlink, but quality one. A good backlink will drive your traffic on your website, which will ultimately turn into leads. For an e-commerce stores, one way to build valuable yet quality link is to reach out to bloggers to have your products reviewed. This is one of the most natural way to get a link back to your website, and you will find definitely gain high quality traffic on your website. Now, second way is if you're selling a product of other companies, you can ask your manufacturers to add your website in their partners or retailers list. You just need to send a polite email to them. Other ways are guest blogging, press release. You can even get listed in publications through Haro. Well, if Haro is new to you, and you can check out our another YouTube video in which we talked about Haro in detail. Also, you can use Ahref and SEMrush to check the quality of your backlinks. And you can spy on competitors' backlinks as well. Now you must be thinking why we should check our competitors' backlinks. Just to know where your competitors are getting traffic from. And then you can analyze those sites to get an idea where you can do the same to your acquire the acknowledgement backlinks. Once you're ready with a list of sites for creating backlinks, create compelling content to bind the website visitors. Now, do not overlook the pertinent factor in Google Search Console, that is crawl budget. As an owner of big e-commerce store, you should not overlook the importance of vital SEO concept, that is crawl budget. It is the number of pages Googlebot crawls and indexes on a website within a given time frame. You can use the Search Console to check the crawl budget, and optimizing an e-commerce site for a crawl budget may impact how often Google's web crawler visits a given page. If your e-commerce store has a ton of pages, Google may not index them all. If a page is not indexed by search engines, it won't appear for any searches. So, it becomes necessary to optimize the crawl budget. It is a process of checking and making sure that search engines can crawl and index all the important pages of your site on time. To improve your crawl budget, optimize your overall link structure, increase the number of backlinks, remove duplicate content, fix broken links, update your sitemap regularly, internal linking, avoid too much redirections, increase website speed. So, never forget to optimize your crawl budget because these are not crazy. It is equally important as optimizing your website for technical SEO. Now, our final point is, and it is very effective to attract the type of buyers you want to, which is provide timely offers, coupons, and discount to your valuable customers. Want to know why? Buyers always look for some kind of offer or discount on a website. And we all know how easy it is to attract a customer with an offer or discount. So, once you are all set up, one thing you should not forget is keep checking your data using these tools. These are really good to analyze your data. And from here, you must check your top performing category pages, landing pages, or top selling products. Besides, you should always keep an eye on top queries and queries you want to rank better for. This way, you can strategize your approach towards this kind of data accordingly. So, all the ideas are proven strategy to boost the leads, and you must take them into consideration while generating leads for your business. Now, if any questions coming to your mind right now you want to ask, please mention in the comment below and we'll answer them all and help you out. You can also comment your favorite topic you want us to explore and we will make a video soon on that topic. Also, you can subscribe to our channel for more informative videos, which I'm sure these are going to help you in your business. And certainly, this will place your brand ahead of the curve. We'll bring more videos soon. Thank you.